Welcome to the construction of this incredible dome house, which looks as if it were being built on another planet. From the very first moment a transformation begins that will captivate you, we'll follow the entire process, from the foundation to the moment the dome closes. This house isn't just a building, it's the true embodiment of a future living space. If you're ready, let's begin. This isn't just any foundation preparation. The first step is being taken for the private space that will soon become a giant dome house. The team completely levels the ground and lays down a large sheet of plastic for waterproofing. This seemingly simple step is actually the backbone of the entire dome construction. Without a proper foundation, no dome can stand. Now, this journey begins here. Once the foundation is fully prepared, it's time to erect the first piece of framework that will form the heart of the dome. The team carefully lifts the curved wooden panel and places it precisely in the center, because this piece is the first step in determining the dome's form. Both the correct angle and height are crucial. As the wooden curve is secured to the ground, the team works under the sun, checking every detail and successfully placing the first piece, the main spine that will form the curve of the dome, in place. This is the moment when the dome house truly begins to rise. Once the dome's curved skeleton is up, one of the most impressive stages begins. The team places the specially prepared concrete blocks onto the curved surface, one by one. Each piece fits into place like a giant puzzle. These blocks both increase the dome's stability and reveal the structure's true form. Craftsmen ascend ladders, carefully spreading the mortar and filling the gaps between the blocks. Once the dome's curved skeleton is up, it's time for one of the most impressive stages. The team places specially prepared concrete blocks onto the curved surface, one by one. Each piece fits into place like a giant jigsaw puzzle. These blocks both increase the dome's stability and reveal the structure's true form. Once the dome's exterior is completely covered, the next step is to shape the entrance. The team installs wooden supports at the front and builds a strong scaffold to properly support the weight of the arch structure. This is one of the most critical aspects of the dome, both aesthetically and structurally. The arch line creates a perfect circle and defines the location of the main door leading to the interior. The dome's interior is now fully revealed. Special concrete blocks stacked on top of each other form a perfect circle, creating an impressive acoustic space within. The team climbs onto scaffolding to fill the surface of the blocks at the top of the dome with mortar, sealing all gaps. This process strengthens the structure and creates a smooth interior. Each ring joins downward, revealing the dome's true character. As daylight filters through the arched opening, this unique architecture transforms into a work of art. The interior is now much closer to completion. And here's the magnificent finale. Originally comprised of just a flat floor and a few wooden moldings, this space has now been transformed into a sturdy, aesthetically pleasing, and modern dome house with its own unique character. The interior surfaces have been smoothed, the exterior blocks are seamlessly integrated, and the arched entrance gives the structure a unique architectural identity. Daylight circulates throughout the interior, further emphasizing the dome's strength. This project isn't just a house construction, it's a meeting of human labor and nature's most powerful form. Every step of this process, which you witnessed from beginning to end, demonstrated distinct mastery. Now, this dome is a ready-made living space, and the construction journey concludes. Thank you for watching. See you in other incredible projects.